They're seeing the ostriches standing on the eggs and also sitting on top of the ostrich. That is one tour. You're gonna get that ticket inside of the boutique.
Brookie, I'm going to take you out of there. Sit nice and sit. You found a few things. Some of these stones look like they've been dyed. Okay, keep them, keep them, keep them.
Looks like they have like stuff in your faces and people like watching.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Man voor die.
No, we can feed them.
This is the ostrich skeleton. Ostrich is really big. This is the chest. You can see as well, this is the neck, the ears, and the wings. So ostrich can can't fly. Because they only use it for them. And you see here, this is the tail, this is the knees, and this down here, the rest of the leg. And here, ostrich have like 2 toes. And this here, they used to protect themselves in the wild. Yeah, this part here, this is an ostrich brain.
Right.
It's a brain. And these are the eyes. And this is the trunk. And this is the heart. And these are the ovaries for the female ostrich. And this is a 2 weeks old baby. And this is a 4 weeks old baby. And this here is a 6 weeks old baby. So first they stay in the egg for about 42 days. 42 days, and then the egg hatches after that. So it comes out the ostrich. And these are different ostrich eggs. This is a normal ostrich egg, and this is the Hindu egg.
Oh,
Yeah, we have
Hindu.
Hindus.
Like
you like that? Yeah.
We have Hindus here. And this is chicken egg. This is 24 of these are equal to 1 egg of an ostrich. So yeah, we had but we don't have that anymore, the small egg, white egg. This is the ostrich skin. So this is tin tongue, the smallest ostrich, male ostrich I've ever lived. And he won the world Guinness record for the smallest ostrich.
So this was in full grown.
Yeah. But he died at 14 years old. And this right here, in which he has people consent. So yeah, you see they playing with airs and stuff there. And this was the tortoise shell. They used it back then to cook some meals for them. Yeah, you can see here. These are the ostrich bones. And the ostrich is easy for them to break their legs because they don't have flesh, it's only skin and bones. So it's usually, and once the ostrich break a leg,
It doesn't heal.
nah,
It's like a
it's
horse.
useless.
Yeah.
It's useless for you to let them heal because, okay, let's start this here. So this is what ostrich normally eat, rocks, to help them with digestion, because they only have to chow the food. So here is the corn, and the pellets, you mix them together like,
Yeah.
for them to eat. And you normally eat this as well. Not sure what this is for. So this is here, fine rocks, it's mixed with the eggshells
They
for
eat
the
it.
calcium. Yeah.
Calcium.
And these there, feathers. So this is a male feathers. And this is a female feathers.
Mm.
And this is the Albanian feathers. So we can go outside now and see the ostrich.
Yeah.
So over here, I forgot
Don't worry, I'll cover you. I'll come.
to feed them.
Yes.
So this is the South African ostrich. These are nice. And these are the females. Normally, they can have 2 females to help them with reproduction. And
And I'll bring you a bucket so if you guys are scared, then you can feed out of the bucket.
So normally we feed them, you make your hand flat so that they can stretch it. This is how we feed them. Just make your hand flat. Even if they bite you, it's not that bad. They don't have teeth, so no blood will come out.
You want to try? Flat.
Oh!
They eat so rough.
Mm-mm.
Careful with the male. You have to give him some food.
Just give yours.
So the South African up to 2 meters.
Oh,
He's more gentle.
he was gentle, yeah.
So the South African up to 2 meters. These are the Kenyans. You can tell by the neck, they're much darker than the South Africans.
Is this one fully grown?
Now it's not fully grown yet. I think this one is 5 years.
Hey man. Why are you scaring me?
So we like super food. And the Kenyan ones, they grow up to 3 meters.
Oh.
And these are the eggs. You can stand on them as well. You can take anywhere.
You can't break it?
Go.
Stand on top of them if you don't believe me.
It's made of plastic.
Original egg.
Huh?
That's the
Original.
original egg.
Wow.
You have food.
These are our babies.
South Africa.
Yeah, South African.
Dum-dums.
What are they eating? There's nothing left. I can throw some of this.
And we don't like corn that much. They only eat.
The brown one. Hold it end flat, otherwise it's gonna pinch. No more?
Okay.
They also take the
Stick there. It's easier.
It's so funny.
This is only one male, one female.
ostriches can run up to 70 miles
Per hour.
70 miles per hour.
Want to feed?
And they can run up to 30 minutes without stopping.
Yeah, feed this one. 30 minutes.
Without stopping.
Oh my god.
The only animal that can outrun them is the cheetah.
The cheetah can only run short distance.
It runs 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, these ones don't take around.
We also have turtles on this side.
And they don't fight ostriches with each other?
I've never seen them fight. I only like big one here, and big one here. And they say that one is 50 years old.
That one there.
Not sure what the age is. These are the lemurs. They won't come here.
Too
They
far.
like staying there. But them, they don't have wings. And they have 3 toes. And the sharper pig. Normally they use the male to sit on top.
Mm.
You think he wants you to sit on it?
Not sure.
Yeah.
They can't jump over here?
No, they can't.
Can you sit on him?
Me? If you want me to.
She wants to see what will happen. He knows what's coming.
He doesn't want. Oh, I even feel bad for them.
It's like, why you want to sit on me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Well, maybe he likes it already, he knows. It's his time to play. Catch a beach.
He can easily kick you.
But it doesn't feel like